So what's up guys, we are back for another unboxing video. As for today, we are going to unbox a Fantech mouse. It's a Venom WGC1 right here. As you can see, it's a wireless edition from Fantech. See, this is the 2.4 GHz Pro Gaming mouse, as I have a wired one from Philips. As you can see, this is the dimensions right here. So this is what it looks like, and this is the side of the box. Optical, as you can see, it's wireless, 10 meters, 20 million clicks. So this is technical specification right here. And at the bottom of the box, it's the Fantech Venom WGC1. See, it's made in China. I got from my local store right here. It's on sale. It's RGB. As you can see, everything in it. So right here, the Venom WGC1, and that's the back. So without further ado, this is the top of the box. Let's open it up. So upon opening the box, we will be greeted with I think this is the user manual right here. No, it is the box itself. So there's the mouse. We just have to bring it all out. So that's empty now right here. And now this is the mouse itself. So this is the plastic cover covering it. So we just put it at the side now. So this is the mouse itself. It's pretty light, guys. It has a rubber on this side. So real quick, we're just gonna give you the click sound of the Fantech WGC1 right here. This is the luminous LRGB. I think this is the Fantech logo. It will create some RGB lights. So right here, this is the wheel knob. As you can see, the battery indicator right here. This one is rubber, not clicking. And to the left side right here, we have a button up and down. And now I will show you, demonstrate the click sound. And the other one, and the wheel knob, should I say, pretty tactile with the rubberized thing inside. It's a silent sound. It's okay. It's a budget friendly with the click. Let's click this one. Okay, then the up and down arrows. So that's how it looks like, and it comes with USB to charge the mouse itself. It's a micro USB. Yep, it's not a type C, not yet, because this is an old model. So we will put them side by side with my wired one. This is like 3 years now. It's a wired one. I want to go with wireless, and I think it's a little bigger. Almost the same, but it's bigger. This one's bigger since I have a bigger hands, so it pretty much sits comfortably. Then we'll check the bottom of the mouse right here. What's in the bottom? So that's the name, the power button, optical sensing, and the RGB light on. So we're just gonna give it an on. And we're gonna switch it on right here, so it's on. And right there is our USB thing that we're going to plug into our computer eventually. So now I have it, my lights off, my keyboard right here, and it moves swiftly, perfectly. We have taken out the USB dongle that goes to the computer. So you can see right here, I'm using it right now, moving it, and it moves pretty fast, faster than what on my wired, the dongle right here. So we'll just open our browsing. Okay, so let me just give me a second. Okay, so this one is okay. As you can see, I'll show you the sound click of my previous mouse. Sometimes the left click, it's not clicking right away, since an old model from Philips. Now I ordered this one, it's a wireless one, so there's no more wire. All I'll need is just to charge it through the USB that comes with it, and it has an RGB on it, a nice glow Fantech logo right there. Response time is in real time, it's very quick. So if you haven't checked out my Twitch channel right here, I'm gonna put it down on my links. Check it out, check me online. I'm usually putting some gameplays online, usually on Call of Duty. So I've got NBA 2K, GTA, and Warzone. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you like, comment down below on what your thoughts about all my videos, and I would love to give back to you. So yeah, this is my unboxing of the Fantech WGC1 Wireless Gaming Mouse, or mice, whatever you're gonna call it on. As you can see, it's a pretty much lightweight. I have shown you from the first part of the video. This is my wired one, so I'm gonna keep this aside now. I will be using this one, so it's much less cluttery on my table, since I will be removing the wires. As you can see, it is quick and in real time. It is pretty much fast in real time, guys. Like, there's no lags at all. Everything's moving quickly. It moves quick, based on how fast that I move it. Like, there's no drag time at all. Even if I open and edit my videos, it's really fast now. I'm using Power Director, guys. It really depends on what kind of editing tool that you use. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment down below on what you think about this Fantech wireless gaming mouse. So see you to the next one. Peace. Bye bye. Take care.